Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on battery light performance profile in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So where to look for battery profiles? Settings, of course. Then we're looking for battery options. Where is it? Yes, battery and device care. And this menu is a little bit hidden because we have to tap the battery here. We have a couple of interesting informations here and more battery settings menu here. And here are our performance profile. By default is set as a standard mode, but if we want to, we can change it to light mode. What does it do? As you can see, prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. And as you can see, it does not apply to games, so beware. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.